New scooter Honda Forza 350, upgrades 2027. Summary of recent upgrades. If you are coming from an older model pre-2025, the 2027 version will feel like a massive leap forward due to these recent additions. Redesigned Dual-LED Headlights. A more aggressive, Forza 750 inspired face. USB-C port, located in the glove box, replacing the older 12-volt socket. Enhanced comfort, improved seat cushioning and a trunk light for nighttime convenience. Engine and performance. Engine type: liquid-cooled 4-stroke, 4-valve SOHC single-cylinder ESP plus displacement, 330cc max power, 21.5 kilowatts, 29.2 HP at 7,500 revolutions per minute, max torque, 31.5 Newton meters at 5,250 revolutions per minute. Transmission: CVT-V-matic automatic. Fuel efficiency: approximately 30 km per liter. WMTC mode. Top speed: approx. 137 km per hour, 85 miles per hour.